Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivasu. Today we are going to discuss about MOB. MOB. So here, what is actually the MOB? The management by objective. If I am saying of a management by objective means here we are considering means the management and the employees are together deciding their goals. Okay, deciding their goals. So here, if management by objective means they are deciding some objective are there. They are framing some objective according to their industries, according to their companies. Okay, the management are framing some objectives. So to achieve their goals. So here now the management by objective means the management and the employees together sitting and to getting their to achieve their goal. The basic points here. Okay. The coming class we are discussing about what is actually the management by objectives, how they are following, how the culture will be take place here. So here listen. First point here is see the MBO full form is management by objectives. The top management teams along with the employees together define the company goals. What are the goals? Okay, they are together combined and they are saying that they are defining the company goals and the direction that the company is going and the direction what are the means company have to go in which way. So here they have using of a three key components if I'm saying. So three key points if I'm saying here is a specific, achievable, measurable, realistic, time specific. Goals are not unilateral within management. Manager gives objective feedback. If I'm speaking about the specific, so what is actually this specific means here, which here says of a clear define or identify what are the things are there, what are the problems are there, means whatever may be a specific according to the management they are given the objective. So they will be having a clear define and identify that one objectives. That is a clearly he is saying of a clear define and identify what are the objective given by the management. Now coming to the achievable. If I am saying achievable is a means here reaching to the successful means whatever the management have given their objective to achieve their goals is a simple thing that is a reaching their successful in a manner of achievable we are saying. If I am saying of measurable, what is actually the meaning of measurable here? So measurable here is a goals that you are identify exactly. Goals means that you are identify exactly and what you see and hear and feels. Means goals whatever you are identify exactly then you are seeing then feels and hear then only when you are reaching to the goal of the company and that is the means of direction of the company. So here we are saying this is a measurable. Now coming to the what is the meaning of if I am saying of a realistic. So realistic is having a practical idea, practical approach. The management given some objectives to achieve their goals. We have to know what is actually the practical idea on that one. So practical idea we are saying time specific. The time specific is whatever the company have given a time schedule. So we have to complete our work in a time specific to achieve our goal. Achieve our company goal. This is the matter. Okay. If I am saying what is actually the goals are not unilateral within the management. Means here, if the unilateral means one person or group of person or one group. But here saying not unilateral means not group of, not one person, not one group. Means goals are not one group, not one person. Is with the management, link with the management here. So goals never be a link with the only one person or one group with the management. Goal should be every time it may be a goal is a combined with a group of peoples, group of companies which is within the management objectives. And whatever we are going for, the management is means the worker is completing their work according to their own. So the management have to give that objective to the feedback, because we know that, for example, our subject, we know that this subject is useful in the future. Whatever the object, previously we never use the objective. We know that there is an objective is framed according to the subject, but we never follow that one. So what happened here? Directly you are clearing the subject, okay, studying of a subject, and then you are passing and you are implement different way. So here for every subject, every company, every industry, there will be a framed by the management of some objectives. Okay, that objectives already earlier classes we discussed about the our industrial engineering of course objectives and course outcomes. Here is we are saying about the, especially for the company and the industry, about objective. So manager, what happened here? Give the objective feedback to the, once again, to the inputs. Example to the management, that these are the according to our objectives. The worker is completed. So after this one, we are going for this. They are following that one. As per that, we are following this culture. So as per our objective, they are following these things. Then this feedback is given by this manager to the managed. Okay, this way we are following this one to achieve the concept is our is to achieve the company goals, to complete our work, to complete our task. It's clear? Especially this one we are popularized by the Peter Drucker in 1954. The management by objective work if you know the objective. Management by objective works if you know the objective. If you know the objective, what are the objectives are taken place, the whatever the management have frame our objectives, okay. But here 90% are we are not following that. So that is said that Peter F. Drucker, that every company has their objective, but what happened? But 90% of them are not following. Okay, but here the follows take place by US culture. The work will within the US culture, but often fails in other due to different styles of management. Here he stated that USA culture is following, other countries are following their style in management here. The French, because of their high power distance. The French, because of high power distance is means here simple thing is here, the lower level person will means they are not changing, and they will be having a differ with high level persons due to this one, because they are not following that one. So this will be this is a reason due to the different styles of in a management, because lower level person will not follow or maybe a differ from the high level persons. Due to this will it will what failure take place here. But in USA they are followed. But what is actually our concept is the achievement is ultimate is our work is to be complete our goal, complete our task, complete our work. The work will, because all levels are involved in achieving the ultimate goal. These are the management by objective. Now coming to the our next class is next topic is our decision making. decision making. See here, decision making is a simple thing, is an alternate solution. Decision making is a simple thing of alternate solution here. Okay. If I am saying here, see here, if I am saying here alternate solution is there, means decision making is a alternate solution to complete. But whenever it will be having a some certain things is there, so decision making should be taken by alternate solution. Okay. When a manager is not absent, manager is not able to take the decision and he could not able to. So what happened this time? Alternate solution should be taken place and that can be allotted by the management previously. That is a, we can say that is a make a choice also we can say. So alternate value. So here the alternate solution we have to find out. Okay, the management have to frame that one. Means what? According to the diagnostic problem, or it may be analyzed, depend upon the alternate evaluate and the decision choice make or choice that depend upon it. So here the decision making is a alternate solution. Okay. See here our next slide. What is actually decision making? Decision making may be defined as the process of identifying, means the process of identifying and choosing the alternate course just now I said there will be a alternate way to solve the problem. There is an alternate solution to complete the task. That is a decision making. Okay. Here he is saying of the process of identifying and choosing the alternate course of action in a manner appropriate to the demands of the situation. Because we can't wait for the manager. Okay, so he have to take the decision. Instead of that one, what happened? He have to take the alternate decision. Now another one is a decision making can be done, means here we are saying that this is the heart of all the management function. Here decision making is a heart of all the management function is said by the Nichols and the author. Means here we are saying this is an alternate solution done by the worker or taking the decision by the manager when the higher authority is not there. Means we are saying that is the heart of all the management functions take place here. Okay, that by of a Nichols and the author. Okay, now see here, decision making has a management responsibility. We know that the decision making is a responsibility of the engineer manager. When the engineer manager is could not when takes of a wrong decision, immediately the vice manager have to identify and have to correct that. When we are saying of a engineering manager is taking a wrong decision, immediately vice manager have to identify them and correct immediately. And very big problem is that when he could not able to take or he could not able to want to make a decision, that becomes a very big problem for us. When he could not able to see here, the bigger issue is the manager who cannot or do not want to make decision. Means he could not able to take or he could not able to want to make a decision. Management must strive to choose a decision option as correctly as possible. Simple thing is means management must obtain something, means they have to choose the alternate person to decision option as correctly as possible, means immediate action, means they have to adopt something or adopt some alternate methods to choose a decision option as correct as possible. Okay, the higher, if I am saying of higher management means level is a bigger will be a more complicated can be taken place at the decision making function. Higher the management level, the bigger and the more complicated decision making becomes here. Now coming to the what is the decision making, okay, of a process. Decision making process is a diagnose problem, analyze environment, develop variable alternative, evaluate alternatives, make a choice, implement decision, evaluate and adopt decision results. So these are the steps are taken place here. If I am saying of a, these are the steps of decision making process. Diagnose problem, analyze environment, develop variable alternatives, evaluate alternatives, make a choice, implement decision, evaluate and adopt decision results. If I am saying of a, what is a diagnose problem, means if the manager want to take an intelligent decision, means he want to take some advanced decision, first he have to rectify what is the problem first. Before taking of a making of a advance of a means intelligent of a decision, first he have to what is the problem actually, what is the he have to find out what is the actually the identify the problem he have to, that is a diagnose problem here. Before going to the inclusion of a decision, we have to identify what is actually the problem. If manager is a failing of doing these things, so impossible. If a manager is failing on these things, means to identify and to release these ideas. So if he fails in this aspect, means it is impossible to succeed on a subsequent steps. Is clear? So he have to identify the problem, then you have to take the decision, alternate decision, and that is the intelligent decision we can also say. If he is failing on this process, means we are saying that it is impossible to succeed in the subsequent steps. If I am saying of analyze environment, analyze environment is the means here it may be internal environment, it may be alternate and external environment. Analyze environment is there, two things are there, one is the internal and external. Means here the environment, example of analyze of environment, example if I am saying what happened in environment where the organization is situated of a place here, and very sequently the role in the success or failure such as organization, means due to their internal and their external. If I am saying of internal environmental is here is means the organization within the firm, within the business. If external environment means outside the organization, outside the firm. Develop viable alternates. If I am saying here what happened here means here often time, often time also the problem may be solved by the solution, means here develop a variable alternate means yes, problem may be solved, problem may be solved by different means alternate of a solution offered, means problem may be solved. We know that there is some diagnose after diagnose of a problem, what happened, there is an alternate of a solution is there, then we can solve that problem. That is the reason we are saying the best among the alternate solution must be, means management have to consider, means you have to prepare. If for example I am saying that you have to prepare one list of alternate solutions. You have to prepare one list alternate solutions and determining of variable of each solution. Variable of each solution. And third one, if I am saying of a, these are the two things. Another one is a revise the list of striking off out of those which are not visible. Means they have to revise the list of a something. They have to choose something. Means they have to choose a alternate way to clear this. If I am saying here means capable of working off successfully. Capable of working off successfully here. Okay, variable means capable of working off successfully, means it will give the idea to evaluate the alternates. It moves for after the developing of this alternative of a solution. It is a now after the develop this alternative of a solution here. It will evaluate. Next afterwards evaluating category means correction we are taking place here. So here after determining in evaluating of alternative, after determining the viability of the alternative or revise the list, whatever the list is there, means they have framed. That is the developer already I said. Means he is preparing a management preparing a list of alternative means revising that list have been made and evaluation of the remaining alternate is necessary. Evaluating of the remaining alternate is necessary. This importance because the next step involves of a make a choice. Means here is evaluate whatever the develop of alternate solution is taken, there will be evaluating should be taken place. So evaluating take place here is a simple is a they are making a after evaluating there will be a having a evaluation means so there means identify means we are making of a evaluating means correction we are doing on the solution. So after that we are going for the advance of after the means the revise of that one means we are going for the make a choice. So after evaluating we are going for the make a choice means after the alternative have been evaluated and the decision maker must now be ready. Decision maker must now be ready to make a choice. After evaluating, must after what happened, evaluation is taken. Decision maker is must now ready to be after evaluating. You know that after diagnosing what are the problem is analyzing. We are going internal and external. Then develop of this one. Then evaluating. Then alternative. What happened? Will then a make a choice can be here take place. Means here what is going on here? The point where he must be convinced means here make a choice is point where he must be convinced that all the previous steps were correctly undertaken. Means whatever we are taking means point where we consider means is to be a convinced means diagnose, analyze, develop, evaluate means what are the points is previously is to be convinced and we are moving off a previous from the previous step and correctly undertaken to make a selection procedure to make a what are the selection procedure for the decision making. So these are the things we have to go with it. That is a make a choice. If I am saying of a implement decision, which is nothing but a refer to carrying out the decision. Implement decision is referred to carrying out the decision so that objective short will be achieved. Refer to carrying out the whatever the means change means we are taking of a decision which is carried out means the decisions so that the objective short will be achieved. Whatever the objective we are having that can be short out can be taken place here. To make a implement effectively, what are the means should be a growth very fast means to make achievement means better effectively to make a implementation effectively and after that we are going for the implement of a decision we are going for the evaluate and adopt decision results means whatever way we are evaluating that decision making and adopting of a decisions here and it will be a results is should be a good maybe okay then we are evaluating that one alternate of a solution then we are going for the adopt of a solution then result will be a good. We have to check that whether it will be expected may or may not be take place. So after all the evaluating of a alternate of a decisions, then what are the adopt means what are the means problem we are means the diagnosis of a problem we are adopt that decision. Okay, we are going to that one. That will be a decision is taken place here. That is a decision making process. So here as per this from the our diagram now the process the same thing decision making process the diagnose problem analyze the components of the environment, develop viable alternatives, evaluate alternatives, make a choice, implement decision, evaluate and adopt decision. Thank you. Have a nice day.